Hey, welcome to 2MinutesPy. I'd like you to review this function definition and let me know whether it appears valid. Well, it appears normal to me, but you may ask what these special characters are doing in the function definition. In simple terms, these special characters determine how an argument should pass when a function is called. Elaborately, the parameters on the left side of the slash must be passed as positional-only arguments. In contrast, the parameters on the right side of the asterisk must be passed as keyword-only arguments. Here's an example to justify the theory. This function contains 4 parameters, and as you can see, 2 are to the left of the slash, and the other 2 are to the right of the asterisk. When we called the function, we passed the name and surname parameters as positional arguments as they are bound to it, but we passed the roll underscore number and score parameters as keyword arguments as they are bound to it as well. What happens if we pass surname as a keyword argument? Python will raise an error indicating that the positional-only parameter is passed as a keyword argument. But if we move the surname parameter to the right side of the slash, then this will become valid, and there won't be any problem. So we can say that the parameters that lie between slash and asterisk are not bound to be positional or keyword only. They can be passed as either positional or keyword arguments. Okay, looks good up to here. Let's experiment. We place the asterisk before the slash to check whether it works or not. Upon running the code, Python raises a syntax error, which means this is not syntactically correct. There's no rule that we should use both of them simultaneously. We can use either of them as per our requirements. Consider both of the function definitions. The first function only accepts positional parameters since the slash is at the end, but the second function only allows keyword arguments because the asterisk is at the beginning. So whenever we want our parameters to be positional only or keyword only, we can use the slash and asterisk accordingly in a function definition. That's all for now, and keep coding.